Assalamualaikum and good afternoon students. Maybe in the live lecture my voice is not audible to few of the students, so for them I am making this lecture, this topic again I am going to continue. Students, cash flow, it's a statement which indicates the inflow and outflow of the cash in the business. Now three types of activities are there in cash flow: operating activities, investing activities and finance activities. Students, what is the format of cash flow? Cash flow is divided into three parts. First part is operating activity, second part is investing activity and third part is finance activity. Now students, format remains the same in all the sums, only numbers will change and only few items will be changed. So this is what the format is there in front of you students. Sum will always start from net profit before tax and dividend. Now what is net profit before tax and dividend? I will definitely explain you when the sum will start. But this is the beginning of the sum, net profit before tax and dividend. Now two columns will be there, amount rupees. So outer column amount you have to, outer side amount that you have to write here. This is called outer column and this is called inner column. So the first amount will be written on outer column. Then after students we have to do add. Add means plus. Always remember this. This is the step that you have to follow. Now add depreciation will be the first item that you have to add. Then after students loss or profit will be there which you have to consider. Now suppose students in the business if there is a loss. This is the different thing about this chapter. Loss will be plus here and profit will be minus here. This is the chapter. If you want to make the chapter easy, keep these things in mind. Loss will be added, profit will be minus. So here if there is a loss by selling any asset like building, furniture or machinery, and if you are having the loss it will be added here, and if there is a profit it will be minus here. But they will be recorded here only. Then after students, goodwill or patent. Two intangible assets, total 4 intangible assets are there, but 2 assets I am talking right now, goodwill and patent. Both are there in your syllabus. So if the goodwill or patent is written off means amortize. Now amortize means that students, if the value of the goodwill goes down or patent goes down, then they both will be recorded here. Okay. Now students, by chance if the value of the goodwill or patent goes high, increase, then will not be recorded here, it will be recorded in second, that is investing activity. If the value of the goodwill and patent goes down, will be recorded here, and if it is going high, it will be recorded in investing activity. Then students, after writing depreciation, loss or profit and then goodwill, 3 steps you have to add here. Now suppose the value of here is given, value given here. Suppose here students 2000 rupees are there, here also 2000 are there, and here this 6000 are there. So 2 plus 2 plus 6, that is 10,000. So 1 lakh plus 10,000 will be 1,10,000. So what name we have to give here? Operating profit before change in working capital. This is the first step in operating activity. Still many items will come. और भी ज़्यादा चीज़ें आएगी ऑपरेटिंग एक्टिविटीज़ में. ऑपरेटिंग जब फिनिश होगा तो आएगा इन्वेस्टिंग एक्टिविटी, और इन्वेस्टिंग फिनिश होगा तो आएगा फाइनेंस एक्टिविटी. फाइनेंस फिनिश होगा तो सम ओवर होगा. तो ऑपरेटिंग में फर्स्ट स्टेप है, ये है ऑपरेटिंग प्रॉफिट बिफोर चेंज इन वर्किंग कैपिटल. उसमें आपको ये चीज़ों को कंसीडर करना है, यही फॉर्मेट में आपको लिखना है. Hope these things are clear to you. In next live lecture students, definitely I will try my best that you will not face the same problem which you have faced today. Thank you very much.